Hey, how's everybody doing? This is Jay with Bikes Kill Cancer, and crummy weather today here in Denver, Colorado, so I'm just spending some time going through some of my gear, pulling it out and doing my 3 cents in 3 minutes. And right here in my hand, I have a new little gadget that I've added to my outdoor fun arsenal. And this guy is all about safety. And this is the Garmin Inreach Mini. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you, this is not a full-blown review how to use this device. This is more about what I like and don't like about this. And right now, what I don't like about it is I can't get it to power on because I am not hitting the right button. So let's get this powered up. There it goes. So this is my 3 cents in 3 minutes for the Garmin Inreach Mini. We'll get on back to this page right here. So Garmin Inreach Mini, first of all, about 350 bucks, according to Garmin's website. Nice thing is they run specials on them at least once or twice a year. I think I picked this one up on sale. I got about $50, $75 off of it. And that makes it a little bit more affordable, but still a pretty hefty investment. Not to mention that you also are going to have to pay for a service plan to actually use this device. And you can see here, service plans, they're going to run anywhere from about $12 to upwards of about $50, $65 a year. And a lot of that's depending on obviously which tiered package you're getting and whether you're choosing to do an annual plan or the Freedom Plan, which is another fancy way of saying month by month. You can also get charged extra for text messaging, for weather services. So keep that in mind. For me, this was actually a pretty big win in terms of a purchase. I've had some medical issues this year, cancer. So I've had a couple a surgery, pretty big surgery, as well as about 6 weeks of radiation treatment. My wife was a little nervous about me being out there in the woods, far away, without being able to check on me and know how I was doing. So the Inreach actually allows me to do this. I can actually send a message, preset messages to let my wife know that I'm okay. I can also send out tracking information so that my wife can actually look on a map and see where I am. And then, of course, if something were to go sideways, I can actually send an SOS, and it's sort of a foolproof button. There's a little SOS button that you hold and down here to send a SOS message. So really what we're paying for here is peace of mind, and hopefully never have to pay for this, but not pay for it, but hopefully never have to use the SOS feature if something were to go sideways, to get hurt. And yeah, so there's just a little bit of that peace of mind. Overall, using this thing, if you've used Garmin devices before, it's probably not going to seem unusually hard to use. There's maybe a slight learning curve, especially if you're used to using a cell phone where things tend to happen like this. With the Garmin Inreach, messages take a little bit longer to get through. You're dealing with this just sort of two-tone screen, no touch screen, so to speak. So may feel a little antiquated to some people, but it does what it's advertised to do. And overall, this is a win. I'm going to give it 5 out of 5 unicorns as a device that anybody who spends any time out in the outdoors is going to want to add to their pack. So thanks for listening. And that's the duck letting us know that time is up. This has been Jay with Bikes Kill Cancer, and that's my 3 cents in 3 minutes. Thank you.